Hello everyone, welcome to Swan channel. See this video fully, share to your friends, subscribe the channel, give the likes. Now the topic is accounts of not-for-profit organization. We have already learned in earlier videos the income and expenditure account. As you know that income and expenditure account is a nominal account. All the expenses should be debited and income should be credited. Let us do the sum based on income and expenditure account and then balance sheet. Now let us do the sum. Let us discuss the sum now. Prepare the income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018 as given there. And you have to prepare balance sheet too in the sum. Now the receipts and payments account has been given in the question. With the help of receipts and payments, you are supposed to prepare the income and expenditure as well as the balance sheet. Now come to the point. First heading you have to write in the books of the heading is sports club. So income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018. So that is the way of writing the heading, and left side we call it as a expenditure side, that is debit, and right side is known as a income side, that is credit. And you have to prepare the balance sheet too simultaneously. Balance sheet as on the date, liability left side and assets under the right side. Let us start doing the sum. Let us go for the receipts and payments, payment side under the credit. Buy rent. So it is an expense. So you have to write in the expenditure side to rent. So your rent amount says is, what is your rent amount? 22,000. That 22,000 you have to mention. Then next is entertainment expenses. So to entertainment expenses. To entertainment expenses. So your amount is 22,400. So that you have to mention it. 22,400. Next is the furniture. You know that the furniture is an asset. So we will be placing in the asset side the furniture. It comes under the asset. Furniture. What's the amount? 20,000. So write 20,000 in the asset side. Next is sports material. Regarding the sports material, you have some adjustment. They have given in adjustment opening sports material. So opening sports material, with that the sports material during the year which has been purchased is 26,000 minus the closing sports material. So that like that you have to do it in a expenditure side. So take it but to opening sports material amount is 26,000 with that add the opening sports material amount is 6,000 with that add the purchases during the year is 26,000. If you add it you get 32,000 minus the closing sports material. What is your closing sports material? Is given as 10,000. So you subtract it, you get the amount of 22,000. That's all. Next, it's very easy only. Then next is match expenses. Match expenses in the expenditure. So it comes under the expenditure side. Match expenses. Match expenses. So what is the match expenses amount? 24,000. That 24,000 you have to enter it. Then next is investment. You know already investment is an asset. So you are writing in asset side, balance sheet, asset side, investment. So what is the amount? 56,000. That you have to enter it. And you have balance carried down. Cash in hand and cash at bank. So that is in asset side, cash in hand and bank, cash at bank. So what's the amount? Cash in hand 2,600 you have to enter, cash at bank 8,000 you have to enter, altogether total 10,600. That's it. Then come to the receipt side now. Under the receipt side, the two balance brought down should be omitted. Then subscription, regarding the subscription, the year which has given is 31st December 2018. So that subscription alone you have to take. The previous year subscription you have to omit it. Now subsequent year subscription, it comes under the liability side. Subscription received in advance. It comes under the liability side. What is the amount? Subscription received for 2019. What is the amount? 32,000. So that you have to write in liability side, 32,000 under the liability side. Then 2018, it's a income. So by subscription under the income side. By subscription amount is, what is the amount? 66,000. 66,000. Then entrance fees, it's also income. Since it's given in the receipt side, so entrance fees is an income. So that amount is 12,000. Then next is general donation. It's an income. Donation you have to mention. General donation amount is 14,000. Then sale of old sports material, that is also income. What's the amount? 2,000. Then next comes miscellaneous receipts, which is also income. Amount is 1,000. Now you have to total it. If you total, that is the income side is highest, you get your total is 95,000. And your expenditure side total is 90,000. Your income side total is 95,000 and expenditure side is total is 90,400. You deduct it and you get a surplus because income is high and expenditure is less. So you get the surplus. The surplus of amount 4,600. Then let us balance the balance sheet, your liability side with the capital fund. You know the capital fund amount. It's given in adjustment. Your capital fund amount is 60,000. So enter the 60,000. With that, add the surplus. What is your surplus? 4,600. So add the surplus. You get the 64,600. Then next is you have your closing sports material. That is an asset, isn't it? Closing stock you will write in asset. Similarly, closing sports material also you have to write in asset. Your closing sports material amount is 10,000. So your balance sheet, both sides you have to total it. Asset will be equal to liability. So your total will be 96,600. Liability and asset 96,600. So that's all regarding like this sums. This model we will be doing in next videos. Thank you for watching this video.